Welcome to Geopolitical Thoughts. Before understanding Iran and Iraq, first we have to know about geopolitical profiles that make them vulnerable as well as make them advantageous. Iran, as a nation surrounded by Elbrus Mountains on the north and the east, whereas Zagros in the south and west, hampering the invasion of Iran from external forces as well as preventing Iran to expand out of the mountains most of the time. Mountains within the Iranian territory not only prevented invaders but also prevented full integration of Iranians, with leading to different ethnicities, as mountains prevented the assimilation of cultures. If you see ethnicity, northern Iran is dominated by Azeris near the Azerbaijan border, whereas northwestern Iran is dominated by Kurds, who are spread out in Turkey as well as Syria as well as Iraq, which is a threat considering their contiguous but without state. Kurds, being stateless people, are trying to have a state for themselves, which is threatening Iran, Iraq, Syria, Turkey, making them vulnerable. And Iran have another disadvantage. Richest oil producing region of Iran, the Khuzestan, is situated in the Gulf but divided by Zagros Mountains. To access the region easily from political heartland of Iran. And also this Khuzestan region is dominated by ethnic Arabs, and being in a plain they are connected to Iraq so closely than Iran, which leads to affinity and may rise separatist movements. Considering how geography divided political heartland of Iran from the economic heartland, it is important for Iran to manage and access its economic heartland for its economic security and thereby political security in the region. Most of the Iran's oil extraction and processing facilities is located in Khuzestan region. Considering excessive reliance on oil source to Iran makes it more vulnerable. Whereas if we look at geopolitical profile of Iraq, we can see it's most plain in nature, with western portion of Iraq bordered by Syrian desert and its northern part dominated by central mountains, thereby insulating it from invasions from northern region. Biggest geopolitical vulnerability of Iraq is one being Quds in the northern region, and second being lack of long coast which have access to Gulf, which hampers transport of its oil and export activities getting delayed. Shatt al-Arab is the only opening for the Iran as well as Shatt al-Arab is the and it's a country dominated by Shia Muslims, who have more affinity with Iranian Shias, makes Iraq more vulnerable to the influence of Tehran. Iran not only have geopolitical vulnerabilities but also blessed with geopolitical advantages in Persian Gulf through control over Straits of Hormuz, a narrow strait through which two-thirds of the world oil passes through. As Strait of Hormuz is world's single most important oil passageway, forming choke point between Persian Gulf and Gulf of Oman. LNG production. If you like the video, hit the like button, share the video and subscribe.